Finding an excellent specialist is one of the factors that will help you to end up with Mechanix gloves you prefer. It always is the wish of everyone to get excellent solutions, because it always is an indicator that things will continue to perform in your benefit. Because of this, you have to make sure that all the necessary actions are taken so as to end up with what you really need. One factor that should satisfy you is that discovering an excellent specialist is not a trial at all. This owes to proven reality that most of them can be discovered from the internet directories, regional queries, or even on the internet. It therefore is surprising to understand that some individuals often grumble about the type of solutions that they get from their companies. Some get puzzled halfway through the procedure and end up with inadequate outcomes. It is because they get wrongly identified as the choices provided to them, and usually think that everything they discover is excellent. However, they only recognize when it already is too delayed that they should have taken a while to recognize the relevance of everything before creating choices. To begin with, look at the scenario outside and see if there are exclusive things that are needed. Professional customers do not just get out of their homes and go to shops to shop even before they know what they really need. Most definitely, you are not looking for factors that are already too typical, and so you should be careful. It will be much simpler to do that, as you can recognize the most appropriate supplier. Just try to fill a record of subscribers who offer these products in your place, and you will understand that there really are many of them. What should be on your thoughts is how to figure out the relevance of each one so as to create an advised option at the end of it. If you are discovering it too challenging to figure out the relevance of companies, one of the best things would be to evaluate their solutions. Let them provide you with suggestions of what they are likely to do after they get the venture. Just by looking at the details that they publish, you should be in a place to comprehend exactly what can be predicted from each one of the. When evaluating the solutions, you should pay interest to factors such as great quality. You are entitled to solutions that will create the scenario much better and simpler for you, and so you cannot manage to ignore the significance of top great quality. It will help you to end up with a durable remedy to some of your greatest issues. Some individuals just awaken one day and buy Mechanix gloves, even without knowing what they are getting themselves into. In such situations, they think that everything they discover is excellent. This is a risky factor, because it places you at a larger chance of finishing up with things that are not even near to what you need for the scenario.